Today I'm going to show you how to create this quick and easy metallic purple smoky eye. After priming and setting the eyes, I'm first sweeping TBT, a matte berry mauve, into the crease and smoking it out towards the brow. I list every product in the description box. Next, I'm covering the entire lid with a white base. This step is optional, but will make the next shade much more pigmented. On top of that, I'm packing Petty AF, a metallic sangria shade. I find that using my finger gives me the most color payoff, but you can also use a wet brush. Blend everything together using the same brush from earlier. Blending means pigmentation loss, so go back in with more sangria. Highlight the brow bone and buff out any harsh edges with Fresh, a matte cream shade. Clean up any fallout, sharpen the outer corner, and apply your usual facial routine. Sweep the berry mauve all along the lower lash line, being careful not to poke your Moving on, concentrating at the base of your lashes, apply the sangria. Oh, that's glitter in my eye. After you thank the makeup gods that your eye is in a watery bloodshot mess by now, blend the purples together. Clean up any harsh edges with a clean brush.
I don't deny there's some strange...
Highlight the inner corner with Relevant, a metallic amethyst.
But mankind won't be destroyed.
Brighten the waterline with a nude eyeliner. Finish off the look of some mascara and you're done. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching!